Hello, and welcome to the 311 Weekend. I'm Laura, and I'll be your guide to New York City sponsored events and services happening in the next 3 days. Before we begin, Growing Up NYC, the city resource for free and low-cost events for kids and teens, has just released a summer guide. Get your child involved in a wide array of activities, from camps to coding, sports to SAT prep. Explore it at the link and get growing. All right, now to the weekend. Remember, the events I talk about are free, and the details are the on-screen link. First, are you ready for pogo sticks, hula hoops, double dutch, hippity hop, yo-yos, a boxcar derby, jumbo games, an obstacle course, imagination playground, ultimate disc and wheelchair basketball? Phew, that is a lot. Then come on down to the 2018 Street Games at Thomas Jefferson Park this Saturday for a game and good time. Second, It's My Park is a huge volunteering program that helps beautify parks all over the city. There are so many events happening just this one weekend that I can't even begin to cover them all. But I will say that they are in 4 boroughs, sorry Manhattan, and there is one on Friday, 10 on Saturday, and 1 on Sunday. They usually start around 9 a.m. and run about 3 hours. You know, I bet there's one happening near you, so why not check it out? Finally, do you have bad credit? Many New Yorkers do, and there are a lot of companies out there that claim they can fix it or get you a high FICO credit score. The bad news is most of them are just scammers who are out to steal your money and your identity, so be careful. At the link, the Department of Consumer Affairs has a list of tips you can use to check if a credit repair company is legit or not. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next weekend.